Welcome back to my YouTube channel Challenge and Inspire, and it's me Shilpi Rai. So this video is the continuation of my last video. If you have not watched my video that was on stroke, so please go and watch that video. I have given the link in the description box and even in the I button. So go check, watch that video and come back. In this video, I'll be teaching you few exercises that will be very helpful to recover from stroke. जैसे कि स्ट्रोक बहुत से कॉम्प्लिकेशंस क्रिएट करता है, जैसे कि हमारा ये फेस जो होता है तो फेशियल ड्रूपिंग का प्रॉब्लम आ जाता है, हमारा फेस टेढ़ा सा हो जाता है, जिसको भी फेशियल स्ट्रोक हुआ रहता है, डिफिकल्टी इन स्वेलोइंग एंड डिफिकल्टी इन टॉकिंग, स्पीकिंग, ये सारे डिफिकल्टीज आते हैं. तो फिर कैसे हम अपने फेस को बैक टू नॉर्मल कर सकते हैं. तो मैंने फेशियल एक्सरसाइजेस कुछ दिए हुए हैं. इवन हमारे हैंड और हमारे लेग्स जो होते हैं प्रॉपर तरीके से काम नहीं करते हैं. सो हमारे हैंड को फिर किस तरीके से हम नॉर्मल फंक्शन में बैक टू नॉर्मल हम कैसे लेके आ सकते हैं. बहुत ही इजी एक्सरसाइजेस हैं जो कि बहुत ही थोड़े प्रिकॉशंस के साथ करनी है. मैंने स्टेप बाय स्टेप अच्छे से गाइड किया है, आप उसको फॉलो करो, आपके लिए कहीं ना कहीं बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा. और जहां लेग का सवाल आता है उसमें भी मैंने कुछ 5 एक्सरसाइज आपको सिखाए हैं. So 5 plus 5 plus 5, it's totally 15 exercises and very easy, and it won't take much time. So try doing these exercises and it will be really helpful for you to recover from stroke. If you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.
Let's start with our first exercise for facial paralysis. Guide your hand and bring your lips together. Make a pout. Do it for 15 to 13 seconds. Do not forget to take rest in between and then repeat. For our second exercise, keep a paper or tissue and try to blow. When you are perfect in this, later you can even start ballooning activity. Do it for at least 15 to 30 seconds. Take rest and then repeat. For our third exercise, keep a finger in front of your mouth and try to push with the help of your lips. Do it for 15 to 30 seconds and take rest in between and then repeat. For our fourth exercise, open your mouth as wide as possible. Hold it for 5 seconds. And if you need, give support of your hands. Do not put much pressure. For our last exercise, use your thumb or index finger to bring your cheeks towards the lips. And with the help of this exercise, try to bring the deviated mouth back to the center. First, do it for upper lips and then try doing the same for the lower lips. For the first exercise of leg paralysis, keep your unaffected leg over the affected leg and your affected hand on the top of your knee and try pushing with the help of unaffected hand. Push until you feel weight on your knees. For our next exercise, hook your unaffected foot under the affected foot and try bringing your toes upwards. Bring your toes towards the ceiling and then go downwards. For our next exercise, we need a towel or any cardboard or any mat that can easily slide over the floor. Then, with the help of your unaffected hand, try moving your leg side by side over the mat. Do not put much pressure on that. Slowly try sliding over the mat. For the next exercise, repeat the same previous one, but here move your leg in and out with the help of unaffected hand. Slowly you have to slide over the mat or any towel. Do it for 15 to 30 seconds. For our next exercise, sit on a comfortable chair or edge of the bed. Now keep your affected leg over the unaffected leg and with the help of unaffected hand, try moving your ankles forward and backward. Do it for at least 15 to 30 repetitions. Do not put much stress on that. Now in this same position, try moving your ankle up and down. Do it for minimum 10 repetitions. Do not forget to take rest in between and repeat. Keep your affected hand on the top of the affected knee as it's shown. Now slowly start moving your ankle in a clockwise direction at least for 10 times and then repeat the same in anti-clockwise direction. Do it for at least 10 repetition in clockwise and 10 in anti-clockwise direction. For hand paralysis, the first exercise is we need to move our fingers. First, push your thumb away and then try bringing all your fingers together. For all these hand exercises, we need a table for support. And for this exercise, move your hand as shown with the help of your unaffected hand, projecting your thumb upward, front and back movement. Do it for minimum 10 repetitions. For our next exercise, try folding your knuckles. You have to fold at each joint, step by step. Take help of your other hand and after folding, lock it with the help of your thumb and then try to open with the help of your other hand. Do it for minimum 5 repetitions. For our next exercise, slide your affected hand on the table. You can even use a towel for better support and take help of your other hand. Later, you can do it without the help of your hand. For our last exercise, bend your hand from the wrist downward and then upward. Take the help of your other hand and stretch all your fingers when you are moving your hand downwards and also upwards. The movement should always be from the wrist. Do not put much pressure on the wrist. Do it for minimum 10 to 15 repetitions.
Not only these 3 exercises, we need a lot of other exercises because फुल बॉडी जिसकी पैरालाइज्ड हो जाती है उनमें हमारे कोर मसल्स को डेवलप करने के लिए, हमारे आर्म्स के लिए, डिफरेंट पार्ट्स के लिए डिफरेंट एक्सरसाइजेस होते हैं. बट इस वीडियो में मैंने बस 3 एक्सरसाइजेस पे 3 पार्ट्स पे फोकस किया है. हमारा फेशियल मसल्स, हमारे हैंड्स एंड हमारे फीट. सो ट्राई डूइंग दिस एंड स्टे हैप्पी, स्टे हेल्दी, स्टे एट होम.